With over 200 titles in its catalog, Apple Arcade offers a blend of multiple genres and gaming styles. Are you an avid gamer finding PlayStation Plus, EA Play, or Xbox Game Pass not in line with gaming buds? If so, consider yourself among the fortunate ones, as Apple recently disclosed what it kept up its sleeves: 3 new titles on its flagship gaming platform, Apple Arcade. Although paid gaming platforms like PlayStation Plus, EA Play, and Xbox Game Pass have substantially been gaining traction for quite a while now, it appears that the Cupertino-based publisher is all set to outclass the top tycoons in the landscape. Top 3 Apple Arcade games of July 2024. The titles Apple has included on the Apple Arcade in 2024, in July 2024 to be more specific, include the following 3. Outlanders 2, Punch Kick Duck, Zenkoi Pro. Just in case you're not familiar with this outstanding gaming platform, Apple Arcade is a subscription-based gaming service exclusively provided by Apple for iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV. With over 200 titles in the catalog, it offers a blend of multiple genres and gaming styles, with various games being so unique that you won't find them on any other platform. To play an Apple Arcade game, it must be downloaded on the device, since it's not a streaming service like Xbox Live Cloud Gaming or GeForce Now. How to cancel Apple Arcade subscription. On any Apple device, visit apply.apple.com. Sign in with your Apple ID. In the subscription section, find and select Apple Arcade. Click Cancel Subscription and follow the instructions to confirm. After cancellation, you will still have access to Apple Arcade until the end of your current billing cycle.